Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a logo or a picture with the form header in Microsoft Forms. First, go ahead and log into your Microsoft Forms account. Once inside the dashboard, just go and select on the form where you want to add a photo or a logo. Once inside, just go to your header and click on it. In here, beside your header text, there will be an image icon, so just go ahead and click on that. For here, you will choose among image search, OneDrive, or upload a new photo of your own. Now for here, I'm gonna upload my own. Just go ahead and select on your logo and open it. Now, it will show on your header, and there you have it. You now have a logo or picture with a form header. And now you can go and preview it so that you will be able to see how it looks like. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial.